Hey guys, let's start Pythagorean Theorem. Pythagorean Theorem is a very well-known geometric theorem used in trigonometry. It's basically when we have a right angle triangle, and just for your information, trigonometry is just full of triangles. It's just all about triangles. So in this case, let me open up the topic of right angle triangles. Alright. So as we know that this sector of the triangle is a right angle, and these A and B are considered the legs. And C is referred to the hypotenuse. The standard, the largest value, the largest length upon the entire right angle. So this should be the greatest length. Alright, so with Pythagorean theorem, you can find out the different values of missing lengths. So for instance, let me give you a short example. Now I have to introduce the formula we use to solve for the missing sides. The formula states a squared plus b squared must equal to c squared. That says the square of a leg and the square of b leg should equal to the squared value of the hypotenuse. So that says that the two legs, let's say for instance we have A as 3 and B as 4, but C is unknown. We have to use the Pythagorean theorem to solve this. So since we know this is A, B, and this is C, 3 squared, so let's simply just input the values we have on the triangle. So we have 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to c squared. That says 9 plus 16 is equal to c squared. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So c squared would equal to 25. Now the reciprocal or the opposite of c squared is the root. So to get rid of this, we have to root both sides. So that's root c squared is equal to root 25. So then we have c is equal to 5. Oh, that's perfect. We found the missing value of c. Let's do one more last example. We have this, and let's say we have a staircase here, and we have the base. We're given the hypotenuse. Let's say this is 7, and the value of the hypotenuse must be the greatest. So make sure you know that. If it isn't, that means the right angle is incorrect. Now let's say this is 5, and let's say this is maybe 6. Let's say this is, all right, we need one missing value, so that means that this is C. So that means 5 squared plus C squared is equal to 7 squared. So that's 25 plus C squared is equal to 49. So C squared must equal to 49 minus 25. So C squared is equal to 24. Further calculation is not required. We can just create it as a root base. So that's C is equal to root 24. So that simply means C is equal to root 24. And we can just round it visually. So we could say this is 5, approximately. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video for further word problems on the Pythagorean theorem topic.